dears, I'm so happy to be with you. First, you don't need to be genius to build your own application. You just need this. I built this application from scratch. Let me show you how. If you wanted to create your own application, start here. Stop watching tutorials. Start building your own application today. In the coming time, I'll show you how apps are really built. No experience, no problem. You can build an application. If you can use your phone, you can build an application. This is how beginners start building real apps. Stop scrolling. If you want to build your own application, this is where it starts. Here in front of you, you see the window of a ChatGPT, the ChatGPT site. And here you can ask it about anything that you have it in your mind. Like to ask him, I want to build an application to be as alarm for me and to write a to-do list in it. Then I'll send. He'll think and he'll give me all the steps that I can use it to build this application. I'll choose one and I'll say to him, try to carry out this one, like this one, main features, so build one, and then continue, and he give me the HTML, and you can ask him to give me one HTML in this application. After that, you can take this one. Before taking, I want you to ask ChatGPT, make all in just one HTML file and send it to me. And if you and a color and you wanted to make it as a background for this application, you have to press here on the plus, then add photo and files. Go to the desktop, and I have a color in the desktop. I'll show it you here. This as a background. I have a background here, so I'll use here the background color. It's the cobalt color to be used here. Then I'll send to ChatGPT and wait for analyzing and giving you the information that you want. First it will analyze everything, then it will send the whole HTML that you can use it. How to use these codes, this is a point, and this is one of the most important things that I want you to be able to use it. I'll wait till it finishes everything, and I'll send everything for me. So after finishing everything, I'll take a copy for this code from here, and I go and open Notepad and paste the copy here, and then to save it as, I'll go for another time, to save it as the first application dot, and this is the most important, HTML, and I'll save it here in D as an example, and then save. Then I'll go to the place I saved the application in it, here, this one, and open it. I'll find this application, and you can add many things and ask ChatGPT for all things that you want to add to this application. So I'll determine a time to be as an alarm for me to use it. And now the time is 2:17, so it will be 19 here. Then set. Then I write here the task that I wanna do it at this time. So I write here something like watching the match for, yes, then add from here. Then I'll wait the alarm. If it works, so the program is okay, the application is okay. If it doesn't work, go to ChatGPT for another time and ask him that there's a mistake that I wanna to rewrite the code for another time and send it to me correctly. We're waiting with each other for the alarm. Yes, just less than 1 minute, and we'll listen to the alarm if it works or not. Yes, it works well. We succeeded. And you listen with me for the alarm sound. Yes, it's to wake up for something that I have it here. So when I listen to the alarm, this means that I'm gonna go and watch the match. So the crucial point is to have the idea in your mind. Then go to ChatGPT ask him to build an application, an HTML file, one file for JavaScript and for the script itself. And then you will take the file, rename it HTML, and then you have the application. What you do with this application is to use it for yourself or to sell it. And if you want to sell it, you can search for the sites that you can sell applications on them. And for the coming time, I'll tell you about some sites that you can show your application and sell the application on them. Thank you so much for following me. I hope to subscribe and join me and like to follow me all the time for all things new. It's useful to earn money easily and to earn money online. And this is the most important thing. Thank you. Bye.